Happy morning, students. Welcome back to grade 9 mathematics online class. Today we are going to see the continuation of the third chapter algebra. Children, take your third chapter note and write it down. Children, everyone take your homework and check your answers. Exercise 3.5. First one, factorize the following expression. First one, 2a square plus 4a square b plus 8a square c. Write the question. You see here which is common? 2a square is common, isn't it? Here 4 we can written as 2 into 2. So 1, 2 we can take common. Okay. From here also 2 into 4 we can write, isn't it? Then 1, 2 we have to take outside. Remaining 1, 4 is there, isn't it? 4ac. Then 2a square. So 2a square is common. Remaining what here 1 is there, isn't it? And that plus 2b 2a square we took outside. Remaining 2b is there. Okay. From here also then 2a square we took outside. Remaining 4c is there. Shall we multiply? 2a square into 1 is 2a square plus 2 into 2 is 4. Okay. Then a square b. Then if we multiply this 2 into 4 is 8. A square c. Correct? Then like that. Next question also. Here common we took outside, isn't it? And what is factorization? Factorization is the reverse of multiplication, isn't it? Multiplication of these two. Okay. Then here these two are factors. Okay. These two are factors. Okay. Then process of converting the given higher degree polynomial. This is the higher degree polynomial. Okay. As the product of factors, its lowest degree. Product of factors. These two product of these two factors, the lowest degree. This is here lowest degree. The degree is here 1, here 1. Okay, lowest degree. Then which cannot be further factorized is called the factorization, isn't it? Then this is one of the form. Then another form is group form. Here AB minus AC minus MB plus MC is there, isn't it? Have you completed? First two term you should take it, compare it, which is common. Suppose here first two term common is not there, means then you check it. Suppose here that common value is there, means this term you should bring here. Okay. Afterwards you compare it and then common you should take outside. Okay, but here first two term here AB minus AC, A common we can take outside. Then remaining B minus C. Okay, these two term you should take it, and then M is common. Okay, minus M common you should take outside. Remaining B, and then here plus is there. So here also minus we have to put. Then only we will get more. Here minus into minus is what? Plus. Have you understood? Then now you see this is one term, this is another term. Okay, here which is common? B minus C is common, isn't it? That B minus C common should take outside. Remaining A minus M is there. Okay, these two are factors. Okay, then factorize. Okay, factorize the following expression. This expression and then factorized form we brought. Okay, this is the factor form. Any doubt? Have you understood? Have you completed? Okay, very good. Next one, factorization using identity. Factorization using identity. Then you know this identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here what this one quadratic equation expression form is given, isn't it? Then this is the simplest form, these two factors. Okay, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to what? A plus b the whole square. This is the formula. And then here how many factors? A plus b into a plus b we can write. 2 factors are there. Like that, a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b the whole square, isn't it? This one you know. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Then next one, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to here 3 terms are there. Okay. A plus b plus c the whole square. Okay. Next one, a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Again, this is a cube. A cube plus b cube is what? Product of what? These two factors. Okay. And then multiplication of these two factors, then we will get what? This one, a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Then afterwards, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3ab is equal to then a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Already we learned, isn't it? This one reversed form is given. Have you understood? This formula is already we learned what a plus b the whole square, like that we studied, isn't it? This one reverse multiplication form is given here. Have you understood? That same formula only here reversed multiplication. Okay. Then note a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. These two expansion. Then cancel. Then what's the answer we will get? Then 2 into a square plus b square. Okay. A power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to what? A square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Then here a plus b the whole square minus a minus b the whole square is equal to 4ab. Okay. A power 6 minus b power 6 is equal to a plus b into a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. This expansion is there. Here how we will get this one? This one we can written as what? A cube the whole square minus b cube the whole square we can write, isn't it? The help of that one we can find. Have understood? Then sorry, here a square the whole cube. Okay, that formula we can use. A square the whole cube minus b square the whole cube. That formula we can use. And then anyway, a power 6 minus b power 6 is equal to, we must study. Okay, that is good. Must study this formulas, everything. It is very useful for you next year also. Okay, be careful and study. All understood? You must write these formulas. Okay, first you write this formula. And now we are going to say example 3.25. Factorize the following. Factorize the following. Here 6 sums are given. Okay. Then subdivision 1, 9x square plus 12xy plus 4y square. Second one, 25a square minus 10a plus 1. Okay. Third one, 36m square minus 49n square. Then fourth one, x cube minus x. Fifth, x power 4 minus 16. Sixth one, x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 4xy plus 12yz minus 6xz. Okay. And solution. First question. Shall we see? First one, 9x square plus 12xy plus 4y square. Okay. Now you see, then here 9x square plus 12xy is there, isn't it? Here xy is there. Shall we write here then 9? How we can write in square? 3 square. Shall we write 3 square? Okay. So we can written as what? This one we can written as what? 3x 3 sorry here 3x the whole square. Shall we write like that? 3x the whole square. Then plus then here 12xy plus this one shall we write 2y the whole square. 2y the whole square. Shall we write? Then this is of the form a plus b the whole square form, isn't it? A square plus 2ab plus b square, that form, isn't it? Then you write the formula since a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to, what's the formula? A plus b the whole square, isn't it? A plus b the whole square. Here you see, instead of a, what is given? Here 3x, isn't it? So we can written as what? Here a is equal to 3x. Then b is equal to what is given? B is equal to 2y. Have you understood? A is equal to 3x, b is equal to 2y. Am I correct? Then, shall we write the expansion here? Then 3x the whole square plus 2 into AB. AB means here 3x into 2y plus 2y the whole square. Shall we check this one correct or wrong? 2 into 2 3s are 6, isn't it? 6 2s are 12. Did you get 12? 12xy. Okay, so this is of the form, which form? A square plus 2ab plus b square form. Okay, therefore what's the answer we will get? What are the factors we will get? A plus b the whole square. Okay, that means a means what? 3x plus b is 2y the whole square. Okay, this is the factorized form. Any doubt? Then 9x square plus 12xy. We have to split and I check it. Okay, which form, which formula we can applicable here. That one you check it. Okay, apply and check it. Then here a plus b the whole square form. So 3x plus 2y the whole square we can write. Am I correct? And second one, 25a square minus 10a plus 1. You see here minus is there, isn't it? Here minus is there. So which form it will come here? Which formula we can use? A minus b the whole square form, isn't it? Anyway, we have to check. Here 25a square. 25a square we can written as what? How many? 5 square is or 25, isn't it? 5a the whole square. Shall we write? 5a the whole square. Then last one, 1 square. Shall we write 1 square? Okay. Then anyway we have to check. Then which form? Here a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to what? A minus b the whole square. Okay. Here a is equal to what? 5a. Then b is equal to 1, isn't it? Then shall we check? Minus 2ab. Here minus is there, isn't it? Here minus, okay, minus 2ab. 2 into a. A is 5a into 1. Into 1. Did you get this minus 10? 5a square. 5a the whole square minus 2 5s are 10 into a. 10a plus 1 square. 1 we can written as 1 square. So then which formula? This is of the form a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b. A means what? 5a, isn't it? Then we can written as what? 5a. Then minus b. B is 1. The whole square. Any doubt? Have understood? Then third one. 36m square minus 49n square is equal to, here 36m square. Which square 36? Very good. 6 square is 36, isn't it? 6 square is 36. So, shall we write this on 6m the whole square? 6m the whole square minus 49. Which square is 49? Very good. 7, isn't it? 7. 7s are 49. 7n the whole square. Now we know one formula, isn't it? A square minus b square, isn't it? Since we can written as what? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A minus b. Here instead of a, what is available here? A is equal to 6m. Then b is equal to 7n. 7n, isn't it? Then shall we substitute here? Then here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b. A plus b means what? 6m plus 7n into this into, okay, a minus b. A minus b means 6m minus 7n. Okay, can you add this to? No. Why? This is not a like term. Okay, like term only we can add or subtract. Suppose here also m is there, means we can add. Okay, but here m is there, here n. Okay, so we cannot add, we cannot subtract. Have you understood? Any doubt? Very clear? Then this is of the form or a plus b the whole square form. Then we got two factors. Here also two factors we got. A minus b the whole square. Okay, this one a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Next, fourth subdivision, x cube minus x. Okay, then equal to, here you see x cube is there minus x. Here x cube means what? X into x into x. Understood? X into x into x. From here one x common we can take outside. Okay, common one x you take outside. Remaining what? 2x is there, isn't it? That means 2x square. Sorry, x square. Okay, how many x into x is x square. Okay, then minus this x we took outside, isn't it? So here 1 is there. Any doubt? And equal to this x into x square minus this 1 we can written as what? 1 square. Shall we write? Then this is of the form already last problem we written. Then a square minus b square is equal to what? A plus b into a minus b. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. So here we can use this formula. Okay, then instead of a, here x is there. A is equal to x. Then b is equal to 1. B is equal to 1. Then shall we substitute? This x you should write in. Okay, then here x square minus 1 square is, we can written as what? A square minus b square. That form is given. A means what? Then a plus b into a minus b. Then that product we have to write. Okay, then a plus b. A plus b means x plus 1 into x minus 1. X plus 1 into x minus 1. X square minus 1 square we can written as what? X plus 1 into x minus 1. Have understood? Here 1 square is not given. But 1 power any number, any power is there means also, then we will get what? 1. Suppose here 1 cube means also what 1 only we will get. But here h square is there, so we can we can write what 1 square we can write. Have you understood? So only we are writing here 1 square. This is of the form a plus b into a minus b form. That means x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. So what are the factors we got? This is the factorized form. Factors then x into x plus 1 into x minus 1. Okay. Then often you want to use these formulas, everything. So be careful how you want to apply everything. Now itself you study. Okay. Then only easy for you next year. Then fifth sum, x power 4 minus 16. X power 4 minus 16 is equal to, so how we can write it? Here x power 4 is there, isn't it? X power 4. This 16 we can written as what? Which power 4? We can write, suppose here 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Shall we write? 16 we can written as what? 2 into 2 into 2. 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. This one we can written as what? 2 power 4. Understood? So instead of this one we can write what? Instead of 16 we can write 2 power 4. Understood? Then equal to, then this one here x square the whole square. Shall we write? This x power 4 minus 2 power 4. That formula do you know? X power 4 minus and then y power 4. That formula also you know, isn't it? Directly shall we substitute that formula, otherwise expanded form I am giving. Okay. Then this one we can written as what? X square the whole square, okay, minus 2 square the whole square. Okay. Then otherwise side I am writing the formula here. A power 4 minus b power 4 is equal to, then which formula? A square plus b square into a plus b into a minus b. Okay. Then here this one we can written as what? A square the whole square minus then 2 square the whole square. Okay. We know a square minus b square formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Isn't it? Like that only we are getting this formula. Then equal to, this one instead of a, what is there? H square is there, isn't it? Then we can written as then h square plus b, what's the value is given? 2 square, isn't it? Then 2 square into what? A minus b. A minus b means then h square minus 2 square. This one we can written as what? H square the whole square minus 2 square the whole square we can write. Okay. Then this is of the form a square minus b square form. Okay. A square minus b square form. Otherwise directly this formula also we can apply. Okay. And then which is easy for you, that one you should use. Okay. I used here a square minus b square form. Okay. Then afterwards here x square plus y square. That means a square plus b square. Any formulas are there? No, isn't it? So that value like this, write it, h square plus 2 square. Okay. We cannot change. This one we know h square minus 2 square. Then which is what's the formula? A plus b into a minus b form. Okay. A square minus b square we can written as what? A plus b into a minus b. So we can written as here a means what? X, isn't it? X plus b means what? 2, isn't it? Into a minus b. A means then x minus 2. Have you understood? a minus x minus 2. Any doubt? This is the factorized. Again, can you reduce this one? No. Okay, don't confuse it in this one. X power 4 minus 16 is equal to what? How we can write this one? X power 4 minus 2 power 4 we can write, isn't it? Then we know x square the whole square formula, you know, isn't it? And then x square the whole square minus 2 square the whole square. That means 2 2s are 4, and here also 2 2s are 4 powers we will get, isn't it? And this one we are written as like this, okay. Then this is of the form a square minus, a square means what? X square. A means x square, b means what? 2 square, okay. Then what's the formula? A plus b, that means x square plus 2 square into a minus b. A minus b means x square minus 2 square, okay. Here this one we cannot reduce again, okay, like that we should write it. Here this formula we can apply here, okay. We know a square minus b square, that means a plus b into a minus b. A means what? X plus b is 2 into x minus 2, okay. Then factorized form we got. Any doubt? Have understood? Here one more step also we can write x square, 2 square we can written as what? 4 into x plus 2 into x minus 2, okay. Then sixth question, x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 4xy plus 12yz minus 6xz, okay. Here we know a plus b plus c the whole square form expansion, isn't it? So shall we write that formula? We know what? A plus b plus c the whole square, that means a square plus b square plus 2ab c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to what? A plus b plus c the whole square. Understood? Here what is given? X square, then a square plus what is there? A is there, isn't it? Sorry, a plus is what is given here? X, isn't it? Then substitute a is equal to x, okay. Then b is equal to what is there? So we can written as what? 2y the whole square, isn't it? Then 2y. C is what? 3z, okay. 3z the whole square. C is equal to 3z, okay. Then minus 4xy, then 12yz is there, isn't it? 12yz, but so here y and z is must positive, then only we will get what here? Plus, isn't it? So which value is negative we will get? X, isn't it? X is a value is what? Negative we will get, so we have to take a is equal to minus x. Then only we will get what here? 2ab, that means 2 into x into 2y, minus x into 2y, that means minus we will get, okay. This 2 multiply, then we will get what? 2 into what? 2y into 3z, 12yz we will get, okay. So x term you have to take what? Minus. Otherwise this 2 term you should take it what? Minus. This one positive you should take it. That method also we can use, okay. Then you write the question: x square plus 4y square plus 9z square minus 4xy plus 12yz minus 6xz is equal to, this one we can written as what, x square plus 2y the whole square we can write. Okay, 2y the whole square here. Here minus is there, isn't it? Minus x the whole square. That means what? Minus x the whole square is what? Minus into minus is plus only we will get. Have you understood? Then this one we can written as what? 3z the whole square. Okay. Then afterwards here plus 2ab. 2ab means plus 2 into a is minus x, b is 2y. Okay, plus 2 into BC, that means what? 2y into 3z. Okay, then plus 2CA, 2C is 3z into a is minus x, a is minus x, then equal to, this one we can written as what? This one, which form? A plus b plus c the whole square. That means here a means what? Minus x plus b is 2y and plus 3z the whole square. Have you understood? Suppose if you take b and c minus, if you take means this one positive you should take it. Then what's the answer we will get? X minus 2y minus 3z the whole square. Okay. Then two formulas also, then two method also we can use. Okay. Which is easy for you, that one you select it. Okay. Have you understood this one? This is of the form a plus b plus c the whole square. Then how many factors? We got two factors, isn't it? Minus x plus 2y plus 3z into minus x plus 2y plus 3z. Okay. Then any doubt? Have you understood this one? The same model, shall I give one question homework for you? Then one idea you will get. Okay. Then that is homework exercise 3.5, third question. Okay, third subdivision, two subdivisions are there, two questions also, homework you do, try to do, otherwise you will confuse. Okay, children, you practice it. Okay, practice again you should do, then only one idea you will get. Okay, and then if you have any doubt you ask, clear the doubts. Okay, and this may be asked for 2 mark question. Okay, very important. Okay, next year also this formulas, everything, if you study means then easy, otherwise difficult for you. Okay, and so be careful, don't waste your time. Okay, thank you children, have a nice day.